Hi lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today's recipe is vegetarian lasagna and I am sure you are all ready to enjoy this video. And also please do not forget to give this recipe a try. I am one person who loves to have my protein, but having this lasagna in my fridge, I bet you I don't miss protein one bit. So please do give it a try. My name is Annie Krieger. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. And to my return subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. God bless you all for me. I appreciate you all. And before we get started, be sure to like this video, leave your comment down below, and please also subscribe to my channel. But please stay tuned while we get started. My veggies has been prepped just to save time, which is my zucchini, fresh tomato, I have eggplant, carrot, and then I have onion. Next is the fresh oregano, and then I also love this basil, fresh basil. I have a nutmeg, white pepper, I have salt, garlic clove, parmesan, my parmesan cheese, and then I have a green pea. I have a butter for the bechamel sauce. I also have some tomato paste. Next is my olive oil. Today I am going for no parboiled pasta, and then I also have a milk. Next is the last one is the flour for the bechamel. You can go for any veggies of your choice, but one thing you shouldn't skip is the tomato, any tomato of your choice, and the tomato paste. This tomato paste will serve as a thickener, and also I don't skip my green peas. This add extra taste to your meal. I am going to add small amount of olive oil to my preheated saucepan and then saute my onion. Please, the exact list of the ingredients has been listed on the screen. Go through it. And now I just added my tomato paste. Stir it to get one shade darker, and then add your garlic, your pressed garlic. See, after adding your garlic, just wait until you have that flame of a garlic on your nose, and yeah, you are good to add your tomato. Stir it, keep stirring it, and then add some vegetable, any broth of your choice, some vegetable broth. Not too much of it, because in our zucchini we have a lot of water in there, and the eggplant. And please, in this lasagna we have two bases of sauce, which is the vegetable sauce and also the bechamel sauce. Now we're just preparing the vegetable sauce. I just add my carrot because it takes a longer time to cook, and then add the other ingredients. Do not worry about the texture because of the water in here. We have enough water from zucchini, so I think this water is just the liquid in here is just enough. I added the green pea. Continue to stir it. Add your spices, salt and pepper. Just salt and pepper actually is our spices for today, and then the basil and the oregano, and also stir it and see if you are good to move on. I am not going to cook these veggies too long because you know you're still going to cook it on the oven. So gently cook for about 3 to 4 minutes to leave them crunchy, and then you add your other spices. The moment I add my spices, I just turned off the heat because I wouldn't want to overcook the basil and oregano. And here, see how beautiful the fine texture that we have. It is fine for me. I just set aside and then move to the bechamel. Add some amount of butter to your preheated pot and let it dissolve with your whisk. Then you can gently drop your flour in this flour. Whisk it to make sure you wouldn't get any clumps in your bechamel sauce. So continue adding your milk in here and stir and stir. Do not stop 1 minute to stir. Keep on stirring it to avoid any clumps. Keep stirring it and go on the lowest heat, like on the lowest heat. You don't want any heat now. Just keep stirring it, adding your milk, stirring and adding your milk until you have that fine creamy texture. So now I just turned on my heat again to let this sauce cook, because the more it cooks, the more the texture is getting thicker. Then you can actually differentiate how you want it. And I didn't stop adding milk. You can add any liquid of your choice. It mustn't be milk. You can add vegetable broths or water. And also try to spice your bechamel, because bechamel, if you have a beautiful tasty bechamel, your lasagna will be tasty. And also use any spices of your choice. There is no limit of spices here. Just add whatever you wish. It will taste in your sauce. I had salt, pepper and some nutmeg. I still added a little bit nutmeg, although I didn't want the nutmeg to overpower my sauce. I just want a beautiful, a nice undertone taste of nutmeg. And yeah, I am satisfied with the taste. The texture is fine for me. I added some milk and see what I have. I just do some taste with my spoon to see how it sticks to my spoon. I am fine with it. And then I'm going to move on to assembly the lasagna, which I have greased my pan, and then add the first layer of vegetable bechamel sauce. The sauce under it is to cook the vegetable, to cook your pasta, and also not to prevent it from sticking on the pan. So first layout, vegetable bechamel, and then your pasta. It shouldn't be more than 4 layers because it will be too high for you. I think I usually don't do more than 4 layers, but today I am doing 3 layers because my pan is not that high. So I add my pasta and then vegetable, bechamel sauce and cheese. After the cheese, and then you go in with lasagna, with pasta again, vegetable sauce, bechamel sauce, and then cheese. Do it until you have the third layout, the third pasta layout. So after you have the third pasta layout, the last thing you will add is your vegetable sauce, your bechamel sauce, and then enough cheese on top of it to have a beautiful surface. So this is my last layout. I have gotten in 3 layouts of pasta. I just add my vegetable, the bechamel sauce, and then cheese. Put it in your oven to bake for about 35 minutes, and after 35 minutes you will have a wonderful lasagna. Bake this on 160 degrees Celsius and you are good to go. So thank you very much, my loved ones. Thank you for always tuning in. It's high time you subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, there is more to come. And also please do not forget to hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. Like this video and leave your comment down below. Love you all so much. Please try this recipe out. It was so yummy. See you in my next video. Bye for now.